In previous tutorials, we created vendors and their connections, destination sets with their routes, and combined them into routing groups to manage and route traffic to our vendors. Now, let's proceed to the settings required for selling traffic to our clients. In this tutorial, we'll create tariff sheets, which function similarly to destination sets and routes. Here's the main distinction: destination sets determine the cost you incur with vendors for call connections, whereas tariffs are the prices you'll charge your customers to route their call traffic through your switch. A tariff comprises rates, each including pricing and other parameters applied to charge the customer and route their traffic to a specific destination or prefix. To create a new tariff, navigate to the Customers section, select Tariffs and Currencies, and click the Tariffs option. On the Tariffs page, click the Add New button. Give your tariff a clear and meaningful name associated with the package type and clients it will apply to. Then, set the parameters of your tariff, such as currency, free seconds, connect fee, and others, which will be applied to all rates within this tariff. Click Save and Close to complete your tariff. You'll see the newly created tariff on the Tariffs webpage. Repeat this process to create more tariffs for your clients. Once tariffs are created, you'll need to create rates for each tariff, a process we will address in the next video tutorial.